Hi there. Well, it's going to be another very unsettled afternoon as more cloud rolls in from the west with some heavy and potentially quite damaging rain and winds. Now, through the afternoon, this rain will be heaviest over Northern Ireland and Northern England, pushing into western Scotland. We could have some issues with localised flooding here for the southern half of the UK. Fairly dry, just a few showers out towards the west. Now, overnight tonight, another area of low pressure will push in from the Atlantic, and this will bring some very strong and damaging winds. We're talking 70 to 100 miles an hour in exposed northern and western coasts. Please take care on the roads. Lots of heavy rain to go with it, and even some snow in Scotland.